topic we're talking about today is the right sizing of your SAP Business Objects environment for the next step. Now, the next step is going to be critically important in the deployment of anybody's business objects environment, whether it's an upgrade in the hardware, new additional BI use cases, or moving some things to a different environment altogether. So, in order to do that, there's three key steps that an organization has to take. First is rationalizing what you have in the environment, things like the content. Then making sure you can reduce it efficiently to be getting the best return on the investment that you have in BI while maximizing the utilization of your resources. And the third is restructuring. That may be the infrastructure and the licenses to make sure that you're optimizing your sized environment for your needs.
So when we talk about rationalization, what we want to talk about is determining what is and what is not necessary in your business objects environment. So that would include things like the report content, the users that you have, the BI licenses that you're using, and your infrastructure. Do you have the right hardware resources available to you to perform the task correctly? We want to be able to get reports out of our system that will tell us what has and has not been used, perhaps what hasn't been used over the last, say, 365 days. Any orphaned instances that were created in the past that are keeping on running, but maybe they're not relevant anymore. Perhaps nobody's even looking at them. So we want to get that kind of information out of our system. And in order to do that, we've got the data that we've gathered about our system stored in a database. And then we create reports against that database to give us the key information that is going to help us when it comes time to rationalize, to reduce, and as Jay mentioned, to restructure.